Okay, this will be the very first drive of Tesla Full Self-Driving 10.4. Just received this afternoon. I had a 98 safety score for most of the time on the release of the FSD. I obtained a score of 99 with the rolling 30 days benefiting me. I got a 99 approximately 3 days ago, and then the Full Self-Driving 10.4 was pushed to my vehicle, and this is the inaugural drive. Let's see how it does. I don't know what else I have to do. Just like on regular Navigate on autopilot, double clicked and it started to take over. Hands on the wheel. Little shaky there. Creeped out to check the visibility and then went for it. Lined up 3 routes that I intend to take on each update to compare the behavior of the vehicle each iteration. This first one is taking us to a local grocery store. We are in the Vancouver, Washington area, and eventually we'll get to some Portland driving, but for now we'll just keep it local. Visualizations are doing very well. It sees everything that's going on. First real test is going to be a right-hand turn up here with the split lane, one going left, one going right, T-junction. To get in the right lane, stopping for traffic, sees everything around me, cool visuals at the cross, and it's off. That was pretty aggressive in a good way. Sees everything around us. Very confident, feel really good about car's behavior. Slowing down for the roundabout. And it's turning left-hand blinker for some reason. And it took that with 0 intervention. I might have tapped the accelerator, but I didn't need to. Whew. I think it's confident. Left hand, no. put on left-hand turn signal to go through those roundabouts for some reason. All right, starting route number 2, we'll get some freeway driving. Just gonna get out of this parking lot. See what it does from the parking lot. And we just ran a stoplight. Stop sign. Now it's got its bearings. Plenty of cars coming at us. It's waiting. It's doing very well. It should see an opening and go for it. And it went for it. Oh, jeez. All right. It knew to get through that and out of the way of the car coming, so it has a pretty good acceleration. Got another roundabout we're going to navigate. A little bit of rain, and we do not want to be in that lane. I'm going to take over. Start the roundabout. Seems it wants to be in the wrong lane on the roundabouts, regardless of which one you're supposed to be in. It wants to go in the other one. Sees all the cars around us. Good visualizations. And those are going to turn. It took the inside lane. And this is a more than 90-degree turn, so we'll see how this goes. Should go up past the apex and then come back quite a bit. Green means go. Cut that pretty tight, but that was perfect. It's not not the line I would have taken, but there was nothing wrong with it. As we exit, the visualizations are going back to the enhanced visualizations. Nearing the destination, but there's some roundabouts and some interesting transitions here. We'll see how it does. Yeah. Doing very well. Little jumpy, but exactly what I would have done. There's a car it does not see. Whew. Yeah. So It is jumpy, but when it sees what it needs to do, it goes. It's very aggressive. It needs to be in this case. That's all good. Little different than a human would do it, but nothing wrong with it. I'm gonna take over just because a little jumpy. Not liking the behavior in roundabouts too much. Just gonna guide it through here. We'll see what if it adjusts. Not adjusting. It's not giving me the option to start up again. Starting to upset people around me. I've got the enhanced visuals, but it does not offering a takeover right this second. Straighten up. There we go. There's our option. Once again. Sees a car coming. Oop. I'm not sure what it was doing. I took over. Try that again here with a little more visibility. And it wants to get into lane that I would not have been in. It stopped, saw no one was coming, continued. So no interventions. Not the way I would have done it, but that's okay. First impressions of Tesla full self-driving 10.4. is that it was pretty good. We definitely challenged it on the roundabouts. Those roundabouts will continue to be part of our iteration checks on the 3 routes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.